Unblocking chakras for beginners. Today, we're diving into a topic that's truly transformative: chakra balancing. Whether you're new to the world of energy or looking to enhance your spiritual journey, this video is for you. If you're ready to unblock and align your chakras, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's embark on this journey of unblocking your chakras. To begin our journey, let's understand what chakras are. Chakras are energy centers within our bodies, each associated with specific qualities and emotions. We have 7 main chakras, from the root to the crown. It's crucial to have a basic understanding of each one before we dive into balancing techniques. Now that we know the chakras, let's explore how to recognize if they're blocked. Common signs include feeling emotionally drained, physical discomfort, or a lack of clarity. It's essential to listen to your body and emotions to identify which chakras may need attention. Now, the exciting part: let's explore beginner-friendly techniques to unblock your chakras. From meditation and visualization to simple yoga poses and affirmations, there are various approaches you can integrate into your daily routine. Let's delve into some practical exercises together. Consistency is key when it comes to chakra balancing. Cultivating a regular practice enhances the flow of energy throughout your body. Whether it's a few minutes of daily meditation or incorporating chakra-friendly foods into your diet, small, consistent efforts make a significant impact. As we conclude our journey into chakra balancing for beginners, remember that this is just the beginning of your exploration. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more on your spiritual journey. And remember to check the link below this video for 7 free chakra healing and tuning downloads. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below, and let's support each other on this beautiful path of self-discovery. Until next time, may your chakras be aligned, and your energy be vibrant.